This is the High People Include Everyone program, a groundbreaking initiative bridging the digital and financial inclusion gap in the COMESA region. When Malawian tech startup Angella was shortlisted for the COMESA Women in FinTech Hackathon, their first thought was to create a solution that could make a meaningful impact on last-mile communities.
Angella is a FinTech company located in Lilongwe, Malawi, Area 47, Sector 1. We are mostly focused on FinTech products, that is Aspect Financials 360, which is a core banking system that is currently used by SACCOs and microfinance institutions in Malawi.
Their primary concern centered on more than 12 million people in Zambia and Malawi who rely on USSD for mobile money transactions, lacking access to internet-based banking services.
We're currently focusing on USSD platform. The alternatives that we had were WhatsApp chatbots and mobile applications, but after weighing the adoption and the literacy levels of people in Malawi and Zambia and the statistics that are out there, we thought the USSD would be a viable option that can easily scale.
With this in mind, they used the hackathon as an opportunity to develop a USSD-based platform aimed at women cross-border traders and SACCO members, enabling them to access digital financial services independently.
That's when we're coming in with a USSD platform that will allow SACCO members to log in, trade balance as well as transfer, and also some external channels, for example, mobile money. It is accessible to all users with or without smartphones. It is available to all users with or without internet access, and it is inclusive regardless of gender. And also it is reliable in a way that we have our product engineers that are able to support it. Just to mention that the core system is currently being used by 10 SACCOs in Malawi, which is a customer base of about 30,000 people. So we saw this as a market opportunity because there's a high adoption of USSD for mobile money usage. And also there's a growing demand for SACCO membership where people are now realizing the need to save and invest money.
The USSD is a direct need that our customers use. And as we saw and we learned in the MVP session, where they were talking about targeting all the specific needs that the customer needs, our customers wanted to be able to view their accounts, the information in their accounts, and also they wanted to be able to send their money.
The team is proud that their participation in the hackathon helped them refine this idea into a tangible solution, drawing on the guidance of facilitators, mentors, and other forms of technical support.
They have taught us how to do a lot of things like marketing and how to get registered as a company, as well as we've been refreshed and we are challenged at this place that we were thinking that we know a lot of things, but we have been shown that there's something better out there we can do.
Once you register your business in your name, that means is that no one else can come and register that business in the same name that you have registered. Your business now becomes known, it's recognized at law. So you tend to enjoy the benefits of registering your business, having it registered with the government. So there are issues of trust. Customers and business partners, they tend to trust a business that is registered.
One of the biggest pain points as a developer when developing a system is stressing about how you're going to connect your system to payment gateways. It's not always easy, and most times it takes a long process. And the fact that you have to connect to different financial services. So it's actually a good thing that at this hackathon, we're learning about a technology called the Mojaloop, where it's acting as a hub that is connecting us to different financial services. It's quite an innovative technology that will help a lot of people.
We want clearing to happen in under 1 second. So if I'm going to send money to you, it must arrive on the other side in 1 second. You know, there's examples like if you get into a minibus or something like that, you just want the transaction to happen then and there.
For me, that's a very biggest takeaway, and I would really love to learn more about the Mojaloop.
And also we have learned that technology and business do not just exist in a vacuum. That means we also need people. So that's why we had sessions to do with communication, branding, and the like, so that we can also have those people in the loop so that they can appreciate whatever we're doing.
Just want to To understand what you said, that most of the top 5 banks are regional, is it that they don't have offices, or are they working remote, or what is?
Where you're coming from in Malawi, when you want a service, you bank with what? National Bank. You actually walk into National Bank. But now, Visa, do you have to go to Visa or PayPal? You just tap your application to that. So 10 years ago, top 10 banks whereby we actually walk in, like this is the bank which we know, city banks and things like that. But as of today, top 5 there are virtual. So it's Visa, the likes of PayPal.
They remain deeply grateful to High People, the COMESA Business Council, and the Gates Foundation for the opportunity and support.
I would like to thank the Gates Foundation for this great one-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I personally, and I believe my team also, we have learned so much. And I know maybe it would have taken us a lifetime to learn the things that we have learned here and the people that we have gotten to meet and interact with here.
So apart from the hackathon, the organizers really took their time to organize a resort where we're staying at the moment. It's a very luxurious hotel, as well as the logistics. So thank you so much, the Gates Foundation, for sponsoring this amazing initiative.
Hi, people!
With generous support from the Gates Foundation and in partnership with COMESA Business Council, High People is empowering communities to ensure inclusion and shared benefits for everyone.